Very good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Adesh with my subject accountancy. Chapter 5th admission of a partner, and the topic is treatment of goodwill. In last video we learned the different conditions how we can treat the goodwill if the different situations are there at the time of admission of a partner. So before starting our topics, I hope you all are fine at your home and be safe, be healthy and stay home. So don't move unnecessary here and there and keep safe to yourself. This is the first priority for all of us. So students, today's topic treatment of goodwill, and there were we learned the 5 or 6 situations under which we learn how can we treat the goodwill of a firm at the admission of a new partner. From all those treatment, we have a first situation. According to that, we can solve the problem related to the goodwill at the time of admission of a partner. Condition is when premium for goodwill is bought in cash. जब प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल कैश लाया जाता है न्यू पार्टनर के द्वारा जब उसका न्यू एडमिशन होता है. Okay, when a new partner is admitted in the firm, and at that time the incoming partner bring his share of goodwill in cash in firm. So what will be the treatment of goodwill there? So I have a problem related to this situation which we have to solve. A and B are partners in a firm. There are two partners, A and B, in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. They are sharing their profit share in 2:1. On 1st April 2020, their capitals are rupees 4 lakh and rupees 2 lakh respectively. 1st April 2020, A capital 4 lakh and B capital rupees 2 lakh. On that date, they admit C as a new partner for 1/5 share in the profits. Okay, on that date they admit C as a new partner for 1/5 share in profits. 1st April, C is admitted for 1/5 share in the profit. Now profit sharing ratio of A, B and C will be 3:3:1. The new profit share ratio is also given, that will be 3:1:1. So here we have need to calculate the gaining or sacrifice ratio. Why? Because if incoming partner bring his share of goodwill, so then the goodwill is distributed in existing partner in their gaining or sacrifice ratio. So the new profit share ratio also we have find in question. Now we need to calculate the new profit share ratio. Now C brought in rupees 1 lakh as his capital. C फर्म के अंदर आता है और 1 लाख रुपए कैश लाता है एंड रुपीज़ 21,000 एज हिज शेयर ऑफ प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल. एंड 21,000 ये अपने शेयर के अकॉर्डिंग, अपना शेयर मीन्स ये 1/5 शेयर के लिए फर्म के अंदर आता है और 1/5 शेयर के अकॉर्डिंग ये 21,000 रुपीज़ प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल के बेस पर लेकर आता है फर्म में. पास जर्नल एंट्रीज इन द बुक्स ऑफ फर्म. सो बिफोर पासिंग द जर्नल एंट्रीज I have prepared the format under which I have to record the journal entry in the books of the firm. So before recording the journal entry, I have need the gaining or sacrifice ratio of the existing partner. So now here is old ratio that is given in question. Old ratio of A and B, that is 2:1. So A 2/3 and B 1/3. Is it clear? Now new ratio is also given. New ratio toward A 3:1:1, that is 3/5, 1/5 and 1/5. So 3/5 for B, 1/5 and C also 1/5. Is it clear? Now sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio is equal to old minus new ratio. So toward A, his old ratio is 2/3. 2/3 minus new ratio is 3/5. LCM for both 15 and 5 2s are 10 and 3 3s are 9. It means 1/15 will sacrifice for A, and B 1/3 minus 1/5, that is new ratio. 1/3 old and 1/5 new profit share ratio. 15 will be LCM, 5 minus 3, that is 2/15. So they are sacrificed in 1:2. So A ratio B in their sacrifice means 1:2. It is clear? This is the sacrifice ratio of A and B. Okay, so the valuation of goodwill can be done on two bases. If incoming partner bring his share of goodwill rupees 21,000 as his share only. So if only C share is this, so that goodwill will distribute in the ratio of 1:2. Okay, if we distribute the firm's goodwill, so then that goodwill distribute according to 1/15 or 2/15. So I will show the treatment of these two conditions. Students mostly confused related to this one. So the thing is this. Distribution of goodwill. If distribution of goodwill is distribution of goodwill, A will get how much? If according to 21,000 of C share, so that will be distributed in 1:2. That is 1:2. So it means multiply 1/3. It is equal to 7,000, and B will get 21,000 multiply 2/3, that is 14,000. एक कंडीशन हमारी ये होती है. दूसरी कंडीशन में क्या होगा? We need to calculate the firm's goodwill. So goodwill of the firm is equal to, according to C share, he comes for 1/5 share. So according to 1/5 share, he bring 21,000. So share of C, share of C's goodwill is equal to 21,000 for 1/5 share. Okay, so 1/5 share is equal to 21,000. It is for C, and for the firm's goodwill, it will be equal to 21,000 multiply 5/1. Why it is so? Because the firm share is equal to 1. इक्वल टू 1 होगा इसका, तो 1 के इक्वल अगर इसको करेंगे तो ये रेसिप्रोकली हमारी मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. अगर इसको 1 के इक्वल करेंगे देन इट विल बी मल्टीप्लाई इन रेसिप्रोकली विद द 21,000 ऑफ रुपीज़. सो द वैल्यू 1,05,000. Is it clear? So if it is 1,05,000 goodwill of the firm, okay, it is the goodwill of the firm, So now once again we can calculate for the A and B how much they are sacrificing for C. So A according to 1,05,000, the sacrifice ratio of A 1/15. So we will multiply by 1/15. So if we're dividing this, 15 7 7,000, and for B 1,05,000 multiply 2/15, it is equal to 14,000. The value will remain same in both the condition. You can apply any one of, okay, according to this one you also can apply. If you are taking the sacrifice ratio, then you have need to the firm's goodwill, not the individual partner goodwill. But if you calculating according to the partner's goodwill, then you will apply that ratio whatever the numerator is there in this ratio. Why it is so is applied? Sometimes some partners will gain in profit share ratio at the time of admission of an incoming partner. So that's why we have need to calculate the goodwill of the firm at that time. Is it clear? So now the journal entry we have to pass out related to the problem. So journal entry are related to this. This is the date column, particulars, LF ledger folio, it is a rupees debit and it is rupees credit. Okay, so now first what he bringing, what the thing he bring at the time of admission. C is admitted as a partner for 1/5 share in the profits. Now profit share ratio of A, B and C will be 3:1:1. C bought rupees 1 lakh as his capital and 21,000 as premium for goodwill. He is bringing means cash लेकर आ रहा है. जब भी bring की बात करें तो it means they are bringing in cash. Okay, so now the journal entry will be passed on 2020 1st April को इन्होंने on the same day they admit the new partner. That's why. So cash or bank account to debit to C's capital account and to premium for goodwill account. Capital 1 lakh rupees he bringing and 21,000 for goodwill. Total 1,21,000 brought by C as his share of capital, as his share of premium for goodwill. So narration being C bringing his capital and premium for goodwill. This is also sufficient, and we can write more things for his share, for his profit sharing ratio 1 upon 5th. These things also we can write, but this is sufficient to get the marks in your board examination. No need to write extra in narration. Only you have to show what you have done in your journal entry. Only that thing you have to represent. And next, this entry will also pass in 1st April 2020. What is the premium is bringing by C, so that will be distributed among the partner in their sacrifice ratio. So premium for goodwill account debit to A's capital account and to B's capital account. Only 21,000 as he bringing his share of goodwill, so that is distribute among the partner 7,000 and 14,000 according to this and according to this. The amount will remain same. Any of the condition you can apply. So 7,000 toward A and 14,000 for B. Now narration being premium for goodwill distributed or transfer to existing partners capital account. आगे भी लिख सकते थे in their sacrifice ratio, but it is also sufficient. So according to these questions we having this solution. Okay, and the condition, what the condition can be applied, we have need to calculate the gaining or sacrifice ratio first, and then any of the condition we can apply. If the partner's goodwill is given, so according to the partner goodwill we can distribute according to their sacrifice ratio as their numerator, and according to the firm goodwill of the firm, so then we have to apply according to the goodwill of the firm this particular ratio. The ratios are different, 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 15 and 2 upon 15. Okay, so this ratio will apply only for the when the goodwill of the firm is given only. If the goodwill of the partner is given, so then we have to apply only this ratio. Okay, so one more problem we are going to solve. So let's see the problem and then we are going to solve that. When premium for goodwill withdrawn in full, means premium for goodwill when incoming partner bring his share of goodwill in cash and the existing partner withdraw his share of goodwill from the firm. Okay, so what will be the journal entry? We have to pass, or the firm will pass the journal entry in the books. In last condition we learned the concept only when the incoming partner bring his share of goodwill in cash and that goodwill is retained in the firm. Okay, this was the condition under which the goodwill will retain in the firm. So then we pass this journal entry, what is the goodwill is bringing, and then that is distributed in the sacrifice or gaining ratio. But when the incoming partner bringing his share of goodwill in cash, and now that goodwill is withdrawn by the existing partners in their sacrifice ratio. So now I have question related to this problem. P and Q are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:3. This is the old profit share ratio. P's profit sharing ratio, that is 2:3. On 1st April 2020, they admit R admit as partner for 1/4 share in profits. R brought rupees 1 lakh. R brought rupees 1 lakh as his capital. 1 lakh रुपीज़ कैपिटल के रूप में लेकर आता है एंड ₹36,000 एज प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल. ओके, फॉर हिज शेयर 1/4. इट इज़ क्लियर. 1/4 शेयर के लिए 36,000 रुपीज़ प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल ये लेकर आता है. तो इट मीन्स दिस इज ओनली द शेयर ऑफ इनकमिंग पार्टनर, दैट इज आर. शेयर इन द प्रॉफिट्स. न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो of P, Q and R is agreed to 3:3:2. Now they are agreed to share new profit share ratio, that is 3:3:2. P and Q withdraw the premium for goodwill. P and Q existing partner withdraw premium for goodwill what is bringing by the incoming partner by R. Okay, so now what the journal entry we will pass. So first we need to calculate the sacrifice or the gaining ratio of existing partner. So now the old ratio of P is equal to, that is 2/3 means 2/5, and Q is equal to 3/5, and new ratio P 3:3:6 or 2:8, 3:3:6 and 2:8, that is 3/8. Q is also getting 3/8, and R it is 2/8. It is clear. Now the sacrifice ratio is equal to old minus new. This is the formula of sacrifice ratio. So now P old is 2/5 minus 3/8. LCM of 5 and 8, it should be 40. 8 2 just 16 minus 5 3 just 15. 1/40, and Q old 3/5 minus 3/8, and this is new ratio, and according to this 40 will be the LCM, and 8 3 are 24 minus 5 3 are 15. So if we subtracting, that is 9/40. So P ratio Q as a sacrifice ratio, that is 1:9. And in this question, share of R is given for goodwill. So these two amount we have to remember, and this ratio also. According to this, the general entry we will pass in the question. R bringing his share of capital is rupees 1 lakh and 36,000 as premium for goodwill. Okay, so now the journal entry for this is the date column first, then particulars, and then debit amount, and then credit amount. Okay, so now according to the date 2020 1st April, R is admitted. Okay, when the R is admitted at that date, the journal entry, he is bringing cash or bank account debit as his capital. So R's capital account, or 2 premium for goodwill account. Okay, so he bring as his capital 1 lakh rupees and 36,000 for premium for goodwill. Total 1,36,000 he bringing. Narration: being or bring capital and his share of premium for goodwill in the form. Okay, so it will be the bringing capital as well as premium for goodwill. And now on 1st April, this goodwill is distributing among the partner in their sacrificing ratio. So first we have to pass the journal entry: premium for goodwill account debit to P's capital account, or to Q's capital account. Narration: being premium for goodwill transferred to existing partners capital account. Premium for goodwill 36,000. Now how this 36,000 will distribute among the partner? So the sacrifice ratio, that was 1:9. So 36,000 multiply 1/10, because the sum of 1 plus 9, the sum of 1 plus 9, that is 10. So that's why 36 multiply 1/10, and 36 multiply 36,000 multiply 9/10. Is it clear? If you're dividing this, so 3,600 only, and then 0 0 4 31. So 32. 3,600 P will distribute, and 32,400 will distributed by Q. And this goodwill is withdrawal by existing partner. So on 1st April again they will withdraw this amount. So if they withdraw, so then the partner's capital account, P's capital account debit, Q's capital account debit, and 2 cash or bank account. That is they are withdrawing 36,000, and this 36,000 again distribute according to sacrifice ratio. So that is 3,600 and 32,400. Being premium for goodwill, withdrawal by existing partners. This will be the treatment of when the partners withdraw his share of goodwill from the firm. Okay, students, today we covered the two concepts or two situations related to the when the incoming partner bringing a share of goodwill in cash. So solve this type of questions. I already sent it on your WhatsApp group. So you solve those questions, and if you feel any problem, if you find any problem in your question, then you can ask from me. Okay, thank you, student. Thank you for today.